no problem goes unnoticed. Compared to traditional methods, this AI-driven approach is much faster and more efficient than a human inspector climbing ladders and manually examining the roof. After the inspection, the AI generates a detailed report outlining all the identified issues. This report highlights the problems with precision, providing a clear roadmap for repairs. With this information, roofers can quickly address the issues, ensuring the roof is restored to its optimal condition in no time.
AI roof inspections have many benefits. These benefits are transforming the way we approach roof maintenance and safety. Speed is one big advantage. Traditional inspections can take hours or even days, but AI can complete the task in a fraction of the time. AI is much faster than human inspectors. It can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing results almost instantaneously. This saves time and money. Faster inspections mean less downtime for businesses and homeowners, and the cost savings can be significant.
AI is also very accurate. It doesn't miss problems. The precision of AI technology ensures that even the smallest issues are detected. It can find small issues that humans might not see. This level of detail is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the roof over time. This helps prevent bigger problems later on. Early detection of issues means they can be fixed before they become major costly repairs. Safety is another major benefit. Inspectors no longer need to climb onto potentially dangerous roofs. AI inspections don't require climbing on roofs. This reduces the risk of falls and other accidents, making the process much safer. This is much safer for inspectors. They can conduct thorough inspections from the ground using advanced technology to guide them. It also means inspections can happen in any weather. Rain, snow, or extreme heat won't delay the process, ensuring timely maintenance and repairs.
AI roof inspections are already helping people. Insurance companies use AI to assess damage. This speeds up the claims process.
Roofing companies use AI to give accurate quotes. This saves everyone time and money.
One example is a large apartment complex. The roof was inspected with AI. The AI found hail damage that was missed before.
This allowed the complex to fix the damage quickly. It prevented leaks and saved money.
AI is the future of roof inspections. It's faster, more accurate, and safer. It helps save time, money, and lives. We must embrace this technology. AI will continue to improve. It will become even more accurate and powerful. This will make our buildings safer. It will make our lives easier. The future of roof safety is here.